𝗙𝗂𝗁𝗂 is joining us just to make sense of this, founder of India Forex and Asset Management. Abhishek, thanks so much for taking the time. Help us understand this. It's a very surprising move based on what Vishy's told us. Beyond that 87 mark, the question is this going to be a short-lived phenomenon? Do you see a move back above 87 in the near term?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
See, the recent move in the rupee is simply, number one, on the expectations and uncertainty on the tariff. Otherwise, there is no solid reason why rupee should depreciate so much. Yes, there are growth concerns in India lately which have come up, and continuously we are seeing FII outflows and some concerns on the debt market, because interest rate differentials in India and America is reducing 100 basis points. And now because of growth, if RBI have to do more rate cuts, then the gap further reduces. So that's the only part, the tariff and the interest rate differences. Otherwise, from a current account angle, fiscal angle, from a BOP angle, everything has been broadly okay. So stock markets have corrected a little bit, but not a lot. So I think if you also compare it with the other currencies in Asia, the currencies have not gone so much. I mean, one currency which we track very closely is China. So China, against China, China has not depreciated so much. In fact, our Chinese yuan versus INR is almost at the super resistance of 12.25, which typically is the level where RBI try to protect. So I would not be very pessimistic on the rupee. If something good comes out of the tariff, and if things are not so bad, then rupee should correct also. That's the feeling I get.
Mr. Goenka, Vishwanath here. I just wanted to pick up this question around the tariff announcement. Now, we know from sources that another meeting is slotted in India towards the end of August. Assume that there is no firm announcement by 1st of August and that things get pushed to maybe August or September. Does that continue to put that pressure on the rupee then? And if that is the case, where do you see that the rupee ending towards the end of the month?
I think frankly, this last 1 rupee, what has happened for rupee, there is no fundamental reason for it. You see the oil is fine, and all the numbers which I mentioned is all okay. Inflation is okay. So why has the rupee taken sense? Because of the uncertainty. Now, what levels it can go, obviously it's anybody's guess, maybe another 0.5% or something. But is it likely to sustain at higher levels despite our current account being okay? The answer is no. So I would say any levels above 87, 20, 30 are good levels to sell the US dollar against the rupee, because the broad trend of the US dollar globally is also weak. So as a country, we cannot keep depreciating our currency in the medium term. So if the broad trend of dollar is weak, there is no point to panic on the rupee.
Thanks so much for that perspective, and Vishy, thanks so much for bringing us that story. Important one to track this morning. Let's keep a watch, of course, on that tariff deadline and see if anything emerges, and also a very close eye on the outflows from foreign institutional investors. 7 days in a row, 7 sessions on the trot, where you've seen a considerable selling in the equity market by foreign institutional investors. We've got the next question.